lot of people do not know this, but YouTube has a free AI that you can use to create videos for free. So watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how to create AI videos using YouTube. Let's get started.
So to start, go to YouTube, then click on this plus button below, then click on this button that looks like a star. Then you will see all the options that you can use to create AI. You can see AI playground. You can create videos directly, that's text to video. You can just make move, that's dancing, then photo to video and image generation. So the first one we're going to do is image generation. Click on image and type the prompt you want. So I'm going to put something like image of a beautiful African woman sitting in an outdoor cafe. She is dressed in a black jacket, black jeans and a white shirt with a cream colored blazer jacket. Click on create and you can see our images are ready. So just click on whichever one you like and click on use image. To download it, click on use image, then click on save to device. Once you do that, your image is saved to the device immediately. So if you want to turn this image to video, after saving it, you would now bring it back in again. So just click on back, click on the back arrow to go to the main interface. Okay, so now we are on the main interface. Now click on image to video. So we are going to bring in that same image we generated using YouTube. So click on the image, then it's going to suggest some prompts for you. So if you want to go by the prompts that YouTube suggests for you, because the AI is going to try to read your image and try to suggest a prompt for you. But if you want a prompt by yourself, you will type a prompt. But I clicked on one of the prompts they suggested for me. Then I want to add some things to it. Okay, I'll add some things to it. I want to add something like please subscribe to Digital Mama's channel. So once I'm done typing what I want, I'll just click on this send arrow and it will start generating. So if you have not subscribed to my channel by now, please do subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to be bringing you updates on free AI tools and how you can still create more trending videos with AI.
Everything is possible. Please subscribe to Digital Mama's channel. We have so much content coming your way and would love for you to be a part of it. Everything is possible. Please subscribe to Digital Mama's channel. We have so much content coming your way and would love for you to be a part of it. Everything is possible. Please subscribe to Digital Mama's channel. We have so much content coming your way and would love for you to be a part of it. Everything is possible. Please
It's no longer news that Nigerians are not monetizable on TikTok.
Everything is possible. Please subscribe to Digital Mama's channel. We have so much content coming your way and would love for you to be a part of it.
It's no longer news that Nigerians are not monetizable on TikTok. That's where I come in. I will help you create a UK TikTok account for just a token.